What's up everybody, Ammar here. In today's video I'm bringing to you the unboxing and review of the Rode VideoMic Me for recording audio on smartphones and tablets. If you are new in this channel, we have unboxing and reviews for the latest technology gears and gadgets, photography, videography tips, camera reviews and gaming. So consider to subscribe if you are not already. If you are a vlogger and you are using your smartphone or tablet to shoot videos and you are taking your audio seriously, you need to look for something like this to take your audio to the next level, because this microphone will provide better results than the microphone built in your smartphone or tablet. You can use this microphone with your Apple iPhone or iPad, or even you can use this microphone with any Android smartphone or tablet. It is really very versatile and it is just plug and play. You need just to plug it to your headphone jack and you can just start using it. No switches, no batteries. Really amazing. And if you are wondering how to use it, if you don't have headphone jack, Rode just released the new version from this microphone with lightning connector. This microphone, it is directional microphone. This is really amazing. So as a vlogger, when you direct the microphone to yourself and you start talking to the camera and the microphone will pick the sound from your side and will pick less sound from the environment around you. On the box here, they wrote it is designed for Apple iPhone and iPad, but as I said to you, you can use it with your Android devices as well. It comes with adjustable mounting to mount it easily to your smartphone, and also it comes with headphone playthrough jack, and you can use this to monitor your audio while recording, and it comes with fairy windshield. This is really amazing. So it is total package here, and they are saying this microphone, it is directional microphone and it reduces surrounding noises to focus on exactly what you are filming, making sure your videos are clear. Now I'm using the Rode VideoMic Me with my Samsung S9 Plus. It's indoor, so no need to use the fairy windshield while you are indoor. I will start recording now. Okay guys, now I'm using the Rode VideoMic Me with my Samsung S9 Plus, and I'm using the front-facing camera. So the sound you hear now, it's coming from the Rode VideoMic Me to the Samsung S9 Plus. I will switch now and I will go back to the built-in microphone in my Samsung S9 Plus to check the quality. Okay, now I'm using the built-in microphone in my Samsung S9 Plus. So guys, you can tell the difference between using directional microphone or using the built-in microphone in the smartphone. One thing very important I want to tell you about before you make this purchase. Before you get this microphone, double check your smartphone or tablet and make sure the headphone jack on the opposite side of your lens, because if you have the headphone jack on the same side of your lens, you have big chance the microphone will show in your video, or even this dead cat or fairy windshield will block your lens. If you like this microphone and you want to get one, just make sure to use one of the links in the description below. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.